Hello traders, welcome to Eagle IFX, your number one online channel for your price action trading. So in this video, we'll be doing market overview on three pairs, GBPAUD, GBPCAD, and GBPCHF. So guys, remember to show some love and support by subscribing to this channel and also by liking this video so that we can be able to reach more people and empower more people. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos once we post them. So I'm starting with GBPAUD and I'm on the monthly time frame, and already from the monthly time frame I can mark this as the highest I've seen so far, and also I can mark this one over here, and the lowest is this one over there. All right, and finally let me add that, and then also that. So the reason why we do this is to get our playground, to know where we are and also what we are looking at. And also something else here I noticed on on GBPAUD is I see this level over here. All right, so let me make this blue, because I noticed that every time this market came to this level, it was pushed up, came here, it was pushed up. So you can see that I'm seeing a bullish movement to the upside. Let's go to the weekly time frame to see if the weekly time frame has something for us. So on the weekly time frame, already you can see that let me zoom this in a bit, so you can see some level here. Okay, let me just mark this as the highest it came. That was on 16th August 2021. All right, fantastic. So that's where it came all the way to that level over there, and now it's trying to come down over there. Then also there's some level here. I don't know if I can mark it. There's a very strong level, because you see that the market came here, and then actually what was happening here is, there was some sort of like structure here, like a movement, sorry, because we see this market coming to this place, getting rejected, and let me clone this, because this is quite interesting, because also on the downside you're also seeing that movement over there. All right, let me just mark it up to here. So it was forming some sort of movement, then it was able to break, and this particular movement over there. All right, so I just wanted to draw that. I think it's interesting to be able to notice these things. Okay, let's go to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, already I can see something like, like a head and shoulders, this being the shoulder and this being the head. Right, but we are going to dive deeper into it and see what we can notice here, because this market came to this place, came to break this level, then now just come to do some sort of a retest, then perhaps it might actually break and go, or it can just fall down and continue going down on GBPAUD. All right, then another interesting thing that you'd like to mark also is this way, because I see that this market came up to this level here, got rejected, now came here, rejected, perhaps it's trying to come down up to this level and came, and then it's going to go down. So let me make this into a zone so that it's making a lot of sense for us. Okay, like that, because we see here rejection, break, rejection. So perhaps this is a retest, and then it might fall down up to this particular level over there. and it's quite a move because you can see from here it's almost 340 pips. Okay, so if this market is not able to break this level here, and then also something here interesting you must notice is here why I might be interested on sales overall in GBPAUD, because of two confirmation. Number one, there is this diagonal resisting trend line, and there is also this vertical resisting trend line. I mean this zone here, and you can see, so this becomes like a double confirmation for me to look rather for sales. That is if this market is not able to break that level over there. So when you go to the 4-hour time frame, you also notice that yes, so you see that there is also another sort of like a movement here. Let me see if I can be able to draw that. Let's change that into black, because the reason why I've drawn that there is because when this market came up to this point here, got rejected, came again, and then it got rejected. So we don't know if it's going to be rejected again. So if it's also not rejected, then it becomes a number 3 confirmation of this trend line, resisting trend line, horizontal zone trend line, and also this little trend line that you just added over there, right? So that's also another confirmation for me to tell me that I am going for sales. And then also I would like to mark this as my another zone, because those are the places whereby I'll be looking for profits overall. So if I enter my sales here, then I'll put my stop loss just above the zone over there. Then you see that overall I'm going for this movement all the way up to here, which is almost 3.9 times. But definitely at this particular level here, I'll take some profits, adjust my stop loss to break even, and then continue holding it and see if it can come down all the way up there. So that is what I'm seeing at when I look at GBPAUD. That's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing that there's some selling opportunities that I can see here, but I'm going to be patient enough to see how this market is going to behave here and see if it's not going to break. Then if it's not able to break, then that is when I'll be interested in sales. Okay, let's go to the next pair, which is GBPCAD. GBPCAD will start from monthly time frame, and GBPCAD has really been, you see, it went up, came down, then now we see some sort of like consolidation, right? So let me mark this here. Okay, I'm trying to establish my playground. Then also I can mark, let's mark that over there, and also we can mark maybe this over there, and also maybe that one over there, right? So we're just trying to get our playground. Let's go to the weekly time frame. So we are on the weekly time frame, and you can see that GBP and CAD has been respecting this level over here, because we see that you see every time the market is like to consolidate to the upside, every time the market reaches this level is pushed to the upward. So the market came from down, now is going up, right? So we can also maybe make this into a zone. Let's make this into a zone like that. Then we can take this out, because we see that if it breaks, then it's going there. So we see rejection there and here and here with a fake out, and then this one and there, like that. Okay, so maybe this market will come all the way to here before it comes down, or it might come and go all the way to this level over there. Let's go to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, it's still quite interesting, because it forms almost like another level over there, okay. Make this into black, okay, because we see that this market pushed up, came here, pushed up, and then came here and pushed up here. So I am actually looking for buying opportunities here for quite a lot of pips. I'm on a daily time frame, so already on a daily time frame I can see that there is some buying opportunities because I've not seen this level being broken, and you can see that the market has come all the way to this trend line that has been respected 1 and 2 times, and perhaps the market is going to push up to this level over here. So there's a level over here, let's draw that. There is some level over here, okay, that this market tends to reverse every time it reaches there, okay, because we see that came all the way here, then you can see this one and this one, some fake outs and there. All right, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that this is a buy because you see a very strong what is it called, very strong bullish engulfing. All right, so then you can see that this is a zone here, was the support here, okay, this obviously came some figures, see support here, and then the support here plus this trend line. So I think this is, you can enter your buys, right, and then maybe target this point over here, and put a stop loss just below the zone over there, then maybe go for this 2 times. So you can see that even on GBPCAD there's opportunity for you to cut these 2 times. Then the moment it's able to break this level, then you can also continue holding. But as at now, we are looking for maybe up to this particular level over there. Maybe let's go up to the zone over there, that is 1:2. All right, beautiful. Let's go to our last pair, which is GBPCHF, and I'll start from the monthly time frame. So we are on a monthly time frame, and what is GBPCHF doing? So you can see that GBPCHF, it's really on a bearish move, it's on a downward trend, okay. That is the overall movement of GBPCHF. So first thing I'll do is to draw my levels. So I want to draw that level over there, and also I'm seeing this level over here, which was a support, then has become a resistance, okay. Then also maybe we can draw this level over here, okay, over there maybe, because we see that on 3rd of May that level rejected, and this market is trying to come down. Then also something interesting is you can see that over there, you see that this market got rejected here, and here this market has not been able to cross that level over there. So let's go down further to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, you can see that, you see this level I was talking about, all right, and then also this market has not been able to cross this place. So maybe let's make this place into a zone, okay, let's make this place into a zone, and maybe it makes a lot of sense for us, can be able to see it clearly, okay, because we see break, rejection, consolidation to the upside, rejection, some fake out, rejection, and that one over there. So what you see here is this market came, then you see some sort of consolidation, perhaps it might go up or it might come down. We don't know what is going to happen, but you see we are below that. So that's a weekly time frame. Let's go to the daily time frame and see if there is something we can get. So on the daily time frame, on the daily time frame, I would like to add this here. because I've not seen that level being broken. Or maybe what I can do is, let me remove this. Okay, then maybe the first thing I will do is to mark my zones again, because I'm seeing a level that was acting this level here, or rejected, broken, support, broken again. See, rejection, 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 and another rejection over there. So I would like to draw that as a zone, and also I would like to draw this one also as my zone on the lower side, like that, because there is, so you can draw it as a trend line or you can draw it as a zone, depends with you and how you choose to use your tools. There are no rules on how to use your tools. Okay, so already let me remove this, so you can see you see that the market got here, pushed up again. So the market tends to go up the moment it reaches this level over here. Then the market tends to get rejected every time it reaches down over there. And you can see that the market already has been on the downside, went all the way to the upside, now it's coming all the way and it's halfway. Don't know if it's going to complete or it's going to go back, look for more strength to come to continue going down. All right, so maybe we'll go down further to the 4-hour time frame and see if there is something that we can catch. But something interesting I just observed here is that if I draw this level, you can draw this level like this. Let me make this to be black, and then what you notice is that, you know, there was this bullish movement to the upside. Now we see a break and some sort of retest, perhaps for this market to continue going down. Remember, the overall move that we notice on GBPCHF is a bearish move. That GBPCHF is on a strong bearish move from the mountain. So this looks like a retest, then it's going to fall down. So let's go down further to the 4-hour time frame and see. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can see something here interesting, and I would like to maybe draw this level over here. Okay, because I see something here. See, there's some sort of rejection here. Then maybe if I pull this back again, you see this level acted as a support before, support, break, rejection, then there's a break, then you see some sort of support, and then now you see that. All right, so you can see that we are actually on this level over here. So you can easily enter your sales here, and maybe put your stop loss somewhere above there, and you can go for this level that's almost 3 times there, or you can go for the overall move, which is almost around almost 4 times, almost 5 times that movement. Okay, all right, yeah, 4 times that. All right, so then also I see this. Okay, this is a place where by the market tends to, because you see some reversal here and reversal here, so the market might do that. But already we are seeing that this general move has already been broken, and this retest came down, then came down again, then we are here. So you can catch some profits from somewhere around there to the trend line, okay, which is almost 70 pips. Then if it breaks and continues down, then we can take advantage of this move all the way to the downside. So also on GBPCHF, I'm also looking for selling opportunities. So you can mark this maybe as a place whereby you can take some profits over there, and also you can take some profits over there. Then also overall you can take some profits over there or on the zone. So these are all places that you can take your profit. So guys, this is what we are seeing on these 3 pairs. Let us know in the comment section your thoughts and your ideas. Also, thank you so much for watching our videos. Remember to like and subscribe this video. Remember to turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out on our future videos. Thank you guys. This is Eagle Eye FX.